Hey everybody. Hope everyone had a wonderful new year. I'm coming back with another video today, another fitness tracker. This is the Huawei Band 4 Pro. The Pro and the 4 is different. Unfortunately, this guy is not available here in the US market. But you can still get it on eBay, Amazon, and other places. So this Huawei has, the main reason why I bought this is because it has the GPS, and technically this thing says it has a 24-hour heart rate monitor, and I wanted a continuous monitor, and I can tell you the one I have right now is not continuous, it's on an interval. So let's see what's in this guy. Let's pop this thing open. As always, you get your instruction booklets. That's this is the unit here. It's pretty small. This thing is a let's see, it's almost a 1 inch. It's a 0.95 inch Amoled screen. So it's just shy of 1 inch screen. Let's see what we have here. Small little charging cable. There's a little docking piece. There you go, and it clips on. This little cable is short. That's what she said, right? I wish it could be a little longer so I can stretch it up to my table. It's a little short, but it should do it. And yeah, I wish it's a little longer. It's very well built. Now it's got hard plastics, just like every other trackers. I mean, this one is plastic. Everybody else is plastic. The Fitbit Charge 3 that I have is also built with plastic. This band, it feels okay. I mean, it's not it doesn't feel like it's the strongest, but it feels okay. The screen is a little bit curved here, slightly. So this technically should fit into the wrist very well, so with giving the small little curve, so this sensor can be tight into your wrist when you're monitoring the heart and the SPO2. Yeah, the SPO2 again, I will not really count on that for an accurate measurement. It's probably really not. This thing is not accurate as well, and then I've seen a lot of them online says it's not very accurate. So just use it as a additional feature that you have. So this thing has, yeah, they got a lot of faces. So the watch face, workout guide, built-in GPS. Like I said, you don't have to carry your phone with you. You can actually just wear this and walk around, and there goes your you can map your route. Heart rate, like I said, sleep, 11 different modes of workout, and of course it's water resistant. You can swim with this thing. You can actually measure your swimming activities. The battery here, it says it can last 12 days. Of course, 12 days if you have a lot of stuff turned off, like the continuous heart rate, like the GPS, everything else is turned off. So that would give you 12 days. But having everything on, it says you can actually get a good 5 days out of it, which is very decent. 5 days is very decent. I had a Fitbit Charge 3 that lasted for a good 5 days, where pretty much everything was on. I like the heart rate monitor on that. So, that's the reason why I need to get this. Now, what I have right now on is a Amazfit. This thing is nice. It's good, but it's not very accurate. I went hiking in Glendale here. Before I got the Amazfit, I was wearing my Charge 3. Now, my Charge 3 measured the full distance of it's a short hike. It was just about 2 miles. But this thing will tell me that it's actually 4 miles. I thought I was doing that good. I was at 4 miles. So there is an update to the firmware, and I updated it. It was a little better after the update, but still, I'm still getting about 3 point something miles on the on that route, which is not true. So I'm hoping this thing can do it. And also, this thing is not a continuous heart rate. I monitor my heart rate a lot. I have anxiety. I hate it when my heart rate starts rising up really fast and beating. It's like my heart's gonna jump out of me. So I like to keep it continuous to see what my heart rates are. I'm a little paranoid. I do have anxiety, so that's where the paranoia is coming from. I'm just gonna fire up this thing and we'll see how this works, and I will do some setups. I'll show you on the app. Let's get this app set up. Just use the Huawei Health App. You can get that downloaded from the Google App Store. Getting the fitness tracker to sync with the phone is very, very easy. Very easy. Much better than my other one. You do need to get it updated so it shows the Band 4 Pro. Basically, that's the setup for the Huawei Health App. On the other page right there is all the activities. Updating right now. Just running some updates to the firmware. Okay, so finally I got this thing updated. Wow, it took forever. I was wrong. It took much longer than the Charge 3. So after the update, now I can see the SPO2. I was not seeing this earlier when just the system itself, when it came in with the original firmware. But now the SPO2 is here. Heart rate, the steps, more setting, again, the faces. Now, I don't see a face that has the heart rate monitor on here. I'm gonna have to double check, see what that is, because I really wanted that continuous heart rate monitor. Again, this is the settings in here. The one thing I don't like is that if you push this button, it doesn't really go back one step. It goes all the way out, and you have to go back into the settings again to do whatever you need to do. Brightness. Right. So message, workout. It doesn't swipe left to right. It only swipe up and down. So the workout, these are all the workouts. So I need to find out how that heart rate monitor can show everything. It's not very customizable. This thing is much more customizable. You can rearrange, these orders, the heart rate, SPO2, but you can rearrange these pages, but you cannot rearrange these here, because I basically walk. See what I mean by once you click this button, it goes all the way out. You're gonna have to go back in here again. It doesn't just take a step, because sometimes it's easy. The touch is very sensitive. It's easy for you to just touch a screen and you're see right now, you can't go back to it. outdoor walking. I do walking more, so I really wish I can rearrange this to go on the first page. So, but anyway, I'm gonna try this out with the what you call it, the accuracy of the distance, and see if this is coming up more accurate than the current one I have. I'm here at the park, so I'm gonna take this guy for a spin and see how accurate we can get. This is outdoor walking. Here we go. Launch this app. And let me launch the other app as well. Okay, just got done. So we'll take a look at this. Stop. Yes. So this is all the stats. Technically this should only be a little bit more than a mile. Yeah, I'm doing this by myself. I don't have somebody to hold the camera for me, so I think this is 1.17 mile, and somehow this guy just stopped in the middle. Yeah, I don't know how it got stopped in the middle, and I just restarted again. Look at the app. Let's take a look at the app. Now this one is showing the GPS perfectly fine. This is cool. My other app, on the other hand, somehow this thing stopped in the middle. Look, I only have 4 minutes. I didn't realize it stopped, and it didn't even start the beginning. There's no map. So the GPS works very well. The distance is about correct, a little more than one mile. This is very accurate. So, in regards to accuracy, the Huawei, it's very good. So that's the GPS, and here's the ongoing heart rate, the steps. In regards to the information that's displaying and capturing, it's very good comparing to my other Amazfit. I'm going to try the SPO2 and see if this is correct or not. I got this thing on here also. Let's see how this accuracy works versus the other one. Got 96, 95 on the oxygen. It's a little bit low. This guy shows 98 and 86. Now the heart rate is actually pretty accurate, but the oxygen level is a little bit low, a little bit different. Okay. 98, 86. Heart rate 85, 84. That's about right. So oxygen's going up a little bit. Yeah, 95, 88. So it's a little bit off. So don't count on that too much. I found a few issues which I am very, very disappointed. For one, there is no watch face that has the heart rate monitor on here. It's very important that I wanted this feature, and the reason why I purchased it because it says it has a 24/7 heart rate monitor. Yes, it does have a 24/7 heart rate monitor, but the heart rate gets sent over to the app. So you cannot see the continuous heart rate on the watch face. You can only look into it from here, but it's not continuous. It's just at the moment when you open the app, it pulls that heart rate over at that particular moment. But I wanted a continuous heart rate so you can actually see pretty much every single beat, just like the Fitbit Charge 3. Now the other thing that I found as an issue is since Huawei is not available in the US, the app is lacking certain features. You cannot download watch faces. I saw the app from another country. Right down here is where you can actually download the type of watch face. And I was looking all over the place to see if there's one that has the heart rate actually shown there. But I'm not able to download it. And I call Huawei support since there's no Huawei in the US. The support line went to Mexico, and they wanted to send me a couple of links so I can download the Huawei the heart rate app from Europe, but I have no success at the moment, so I cannot download that particular one. Now this app also lacking a lot of features. It's not very scalable on this thing, as I mentioned earlier before. You know how you want to customize these priorities. It's not configurable. On this guy, it's a lot more. You have a lot more features in this app that you can actually. This is the app for the Amazfit. It's much more scalable. You can configure all these, the goals and records, my device. There's so much that you can configure. You can switch around the left swipe, the up down swipe, different pages that you can do. So, but since I don't have the main features that I wanted, this is very disappointing. I might just send it back and get something else. Might go back to a Fitbit Charge 4. I have a problem with the Fitbit too. The software and the app. I had a lot of problem just getting it sync connecting. So I guess there's nothing is perfect. So anyway, that's my review of this thing, or my impression. A little bit disappointed. I guess this thing might be pretty much just going back. So it's really up to you. It does do what you need to do. It has a lot of workout activities that you can do. It works well. The everything's pretty much accurate. The measurement and all that. It has built-in GPS. You don't have to carry your phone. So, but it's lacking some of the stuff that personally I want. That's just, my own little preference. That will do it for me today. Again, my video quality are not the best. But if you find it helpful, give me a like and subscribe. If you don't like it, it's okay. Thanks for watching anyway. See you soon. Take care.